Hi there, Roberto here with Top One Marketing again with another Builderall tutorial video. And in this video, I'm excited to show you some really wonderful things in the Builderall platform. And what we're going to show you today is we're going to show you how to customize a thank you page or a download page specifically for that subscriber. In other words, whenever a person opts into your email list to either get a download, get an ebook, or they purchase something, and you send them a thank you page through the email or their confirmation email or their thank you email, when they go to the thank you page or the download page, their name will be displayed right on the thank you page, right? And you don't have to, this is not a manual thing. This is an automatic thing. Once you set this thing up, every person that opts in to your list and they go to the thank you page or the download page through the email that you sent them, their name is going to be displayed right there on the page. So without further ado, let's show you how to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the thank you page. Well, first thing I want to show you is I want to show you in the list. The list we're going to use is going to be biblical guides. This is the list that we're going to use. You can see that there's 7 opt-ins right here. There is no support at top1marketing.com in here, okay? Just wanted to show you that real quickly. And then what we're going to do is let's show you how this works, okay? So let's go, all right, and then let's name this something different. How about barbecue, right? That's pretty cool. And we're going to click register. And then it's going to automatically send me to a confirmation page that's going to tell me to check my email for a confirmation email. So let's go to this email real quick, and you can see it got there already. And click here. When the subscriber clicks to confirm the subscription, you can customize this however you want. And it could be anything. It could be get your downloads here, or get your information here, get your guide here, whatever it is, right? But the point is that you want to get them to click. And when they click and they get sent to the page, it says, "Thank you, Bobby Q, for signing up in our giveaway." Ain't that awesome? That's some really cool stuff. And you can see right over here in the email list, if I refresh, which is probably going to kick me out, and it did. You can see right here, boom, Bobby Q. Here's the email, right? And so, ain't that awesome? They get an email. They get an email, and then they get sent to the thank you page that is personalized for that specific person. So now let me show you how to get this done in Cheetah Builder. So what we're going to do is you got to go to your and it's simple. It's just one simple thing you got to do. Go to the edit page. Go to the edit page. Now you can see right here that we have some text right here that says tag underscore name underscore lead, and it's inside some brackets. Now we don't have to write, we don't write that in, okay? What we do is in this text area, right? In this text area, wherever I want the subscriber's name to appear at, this is where I'm going to do it at. So let's go ahead and put that right there, okay? So it's going to appear right here. So we click on this little tag icon right here at the end. When we click on that, we're going to go right here and we're going to make sure that Builderall tags is selected. And then we're going to go and we're going to select lead name. Click select. And then this is going to appear right here in the brackets, tag underscore name underscore lead. And that's literally all that you have to do to get this done. Make sure that you click save. And once you click save, that's it. Every subscriber that opts in to this list right here will automatically have the thank you page personalized to them. Ain't that awesome? I know that's awesome. So if this video was helpful to you, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a share. Subscribe to our channel so that the next time we upload one of these awesome tutorial videos, you will get notified. And so until the next one, thank you and bye.